So by the end of this 20-minute long video, you'll be able to build and ship chatbots like this to your clients who run an online store or an e-com brand. Now, this is one of the few trade secrets which I'm giving away. Me and my agency, we are doing solely a lot of money just by doing chatbots. So anyone that says chatbots are dead or chatbots don't work, etc., 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 they need to reconsider what they say. So the 20-minute timer has started now, and I'm going to quickly run you through this chatbot first. So this is a chatbot, as you could see. Obviously, we got a small error here. Archo.com has refused to connect, but if we deploy this on a website, this will fix automatically. Right now, I can click on ask a question. It says, hey, how may I help you? I'll say, hey, hi. So this chatbot is made for an e-com store called Archo India. They sell expensive and designer clothes for people, for females in general. So that's what it is. So, hi, I'm Archo Assistant. What do you need? I say, track order, return, refunds, talk to human. Again, all of these are some great features. But right now, I'll say I want to buy something for my mom. Again, simple, sweet, easy. Let's see what it says. What category are you looking for? Like kurtis, set, or sari? I'll say a sari. For daily, festive, or gifting? I'd say festive. So my budget is around 3,000 to 5,000 rupees. So I just got these different sari options. Yogini handwork sari. I'll say my mom's favorite color is red. So it just gives me these red saris. If I click on view product, I can view this product on their website. It's obviously 23,000 rupees for a sari, but doesn't really matter. So this is what it is. And then when I say it has options like more options, checkout. So I'll say something that will go well with this. I like the dazzling red silk bandai sari. Now you'll say, Shreyas, people don't usually type this much. People don't usually like to type, etc., etc., etc. We'll get to that. Pair with a matching blouse or jewelry. I'll say earrings, maybe. Just talking to it like a actual human, and it's insane. So it just gives me some red earrings to pair with it, red, orange, or green. To contrast its green, it's actually pretty insane. I'll say, can you also suggest me jutis to go with it? They have to be red. So obviously, it's gonna give me a few juti options like red floret handcrafted juti. I can shop here. Obviously, it's 2,000 rupees for the juti. I'll say, perfect. I would like to check out. Obviously, this chatbot does not have an option to initiate checkout because we would need to add payment gateways, etc., 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 and it would become too complex to actually do that. So I say proceed to checkout. So a cart is empty. I can say view cart. It's all empty. And obviously it takes me to the website. Kind of takes me to the website. And it says recently viewed. So I can go in here, add them to cart, and actually just choose to check out. And obviously the backend is not connected. We can also connect this again. Right now, what we're gonna build is gonna be a basic e-com chatbot, but to expand on this, connect APIs and connect the backend, it can turn into a complete selling machine, complete automated sales machine for your e-com store or for your e-commerce business. So great, let's proceed, let's check out. Obviously we cannot do that here because obviously for some constraints, but now there's the next best part, which is, would you like to talk to a real-time AI agent? Let's talk to it. I'll say allow. I'll get my iPhone real quick.
Hello, welcome to Archo India. How may I help you?
I would like to buy something for my mom for gifting.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. What a lovely gesture. Can you tell me what occasion you're gifting for and maybe what she loves, like a specific style or color preference?
She's obsessed with kurtis and suits.
That's fabulous. Suits are so elegant and versatile. Is there a particular color or fabric you...
Boom. This is something which can drastically improve sales for any business. I also have a Gamma presentation for this, in which I'll just explain to you how it all works. But yeah, this is what it is. So we also have a complete gamma presentation. Your store is bleeding money and you know it. Customers land on the site, bounce faster than they can say add to cart, because there's a lot of unanswered questions, second guessing. It's killing the growth. Obviously the VAs cannot be there. Your support sucks. Your VAs cannot be there 24/7. Install a AI chatbot, fix everything you hate about the store. Smart recommendations, perfect sizing, premium experience. You just saw how human the AI agent was. Again, none of the fluff, none of the bullshit on hey, do you want to know, just big text. No, just clean, simple, elegant. More checkouts, always on sales reps, and real-time answers updated to the very millisecond by our AI agent. Obviously, this was my sales pitch. Now this is how we'll be doing it. So, making an ecom chatbot. We have the software called as Tixay agent. So we'll be using Tixay agents for this. Then we have cost to build, which is 0, obviously, initially. So you can, anyone who's starting out the agency can build it, and the voice agent provider is WAPI. So let's quickly open up these softwares. First, I'll open up WAPI, and then I'll open up Tixay agents. So Tixay agent has been rebranded to Convocore, as you could see. So Tixay agents, it's called Tixay agents. So they have been rebranded to Convocore for now, but if I just download it here, or if I click here, so right now you'll be redirected to this page, but for you or for anyone who's starting out, you will not be redirected to this page directly. You need to sign up. So I'm going to click on logout, and this is the page that you'll see. Now you click on get started, and then you can choose a server. So for me, I have data on both the servers. So I can, again, if you haven't signed up already, you can just sign up, but I'm going to click on sign in and click on continue with Google, and then continue with my account. Simply just sign in and we are inside the UI. So this is where the real magic happens. So now click on new agent. Let's just name it as I wanted to make something for Nykaa, so let's do it for Nykaa AI agent. It should be a blank template. Do not choose any of this. Click on create and let it just cook. So once you are here, I'll tell you what you need to do. So first things first is on priority, you need to enable tabs. So once you're in the UI, again, the UI is very vast. So I'd like to explain to you this later. Right now, just simply go to, this is a prompt section. As you can see voices, you can say widgets. So go under widgets, I'll hide the test, and then you can just scroll down and go to tab configurations, click here, and then click on enable tabs. This just drastically changes the look of the whole chatbot. Now this is done, pretty cool, pretty solid. Now let's start importing knowledge base from the Nykaa app or from the Nykaa website. But these guys, their website, their chatbot is down, which is very bad considering they're losing a lot of leads and a lot of customer revenue here. So let's click on, so once you go on any website, search for sitemap.xml. Now, as you could see, we cannot find the sitemap. We can just search for sitemap.robots. Yeah, they do not have a sitemap. So what to do? Usually websites have a sitemap. For example, I can go to, let's just say, go here, click here, and then click on sitemap.xml, and they have a sitemap. But Nykaa does not have a sitemap. Now what to do in this case is you can simply just copy the URL, search for sitemap generator, and then you can click on the first link here which says create your Google sitemap online. Click here and then just paste the sitemap URL, click on start, and it's gonna take a while and it's gonna get all the sitemaps or all the different URLs inside the website. Now what is a sitemap? As a name, it's a developer tool. Sitemaps are usually a developer tool, but this is how you get sitemaps. So as you can see, there's so much stuff here, it's insane. Hair appliances, you got hair cream, salons, a lot of stuff. As you can see, Pink Friday sale ends tonight. Let's see what they have for. So this is a very heavy and dynamic website. As you can see, the sitemap must be very big, and I'm pretty sure that's going to be the case here. The remaining time is 9 minutes. Okay, let's just not go for, you know what, let's just not go for Nika, because it's usually, if this takes this long, then it's going to take a while, but we have to finish this whole thing under 20 minutes. So I'm going to go for, there's this ice cream brand which is called as Go Zero. Let's do it for them. So go on Go Zero, as seen on Shark Tank. I'm pretty sure they don't have many websites, or they don't have many products here, which is why I'm gonna go up here and right click, search for sitemap.xml. And wow, they have a sitemap, which I'm so glad they do. Copy the sitemap URL. So in case they don't have a sitemap, you create a sitemap. And if they have a sitemap, copy the sitemap URL, go to Tixey Agents, which we just logged into. This is Tixey Agents. Go under knowledge and always publish the changes, because the Tixey does not auto save your changes. Close this, click on add source, click on URL, paste the sitemap URL and click on fetch. So what it will do is it will fetch all the sitemaps. Now there's sometimes sitemaps have sitemaps within them. So if I double click here, it says Go Zero Hello World, and something that we need. This is also, yeah, this is, so we got sitemaps inside sitemaps, which is very annoying. But what we'll do is we'll click on add URLs. So right now, why are we adding the sitemap URL? This is because we need to import all the data from the website into our AI agent RAG knowledge base, which is what we're doing exactly right here. So until it does all of that, let's actually go to Tixey Agents once more, because I need to, let's just go to Tixey Agents once more. Go to Tixey again, and we can parallelly add more sitemaps. So this sitemap was fetched, thankfully. Click on fetch again. This time it will fetch new sitemaps. I think we need to close it. Click on add source, click on URL, fetch the sitemaps again, fetch, and click on add URLs. The most important URL is all products, because that's what will help us to make the AI agent in end of a day. So we got the sitemap for, we got one sitemap. Let's also check all the other sitemaps to see if there's something which is relevant to us. Right now we need the product details, which is what we're looking for. So no, the only important sitemap was Let's Go Zero all products, all dash products. This was the sitemap URL which we needed the most. Now we go to ChatGPT real quick, and we will make, as the sitemap URLs are being uploaded, just follow me blindly here. I'll put a detailed tutorial on how to build complex agents on Tixey. Right now, just follow me blindly, because we have a 20-minute challenge. I'll search for, or I'll just give the prompt. I'll just prompt out the agent. So one of the best ways to prompt out the agent is to use the prompts that you've already given, or use a past prompt as a reference. So how I'll do, and what I'll do is I'll specifically put this prompt in the description of this video, so you guys can just copy it and use this prompt as a reference prompt. So this is the whole prompt. I want the exact prompt, but rephrased and restructured for Go Zero ice creams, as I am now building a chatbot for them. Rewrite the prompt to fit this new use case for the chat for another chatbot. I'll specify high reasoning, because this task will require high reasoning and high verbosity. Oops, my bad. I want detailed responses and outputs. Click enter. Now I'll wait on this to complete. Let's go back to our agent. So unfortunately, this is no longer a Nika agent, but this is actually a Go Zero agent. Now, as you can see, this is looking very, very bad. I'm not something that I would personally put on my website, at least. So we need to first go into widgets, change the name to Go Zero AI agent. Looks perfect. Description is you are the ice cream specialist at Go Zero. Specialist Go Zero, publish, and boom, I just did that. Now what we'll do is we'll quickly go Go Zero logo. This will work. Save image, save, go to the website. This is where we are building our agent. Go to logos and headers, click on upload image, click on upload, open, and boom, this should be done. So I'm getting Go Zero here. Okay, it's slightly misaligned, but we are low on time. So let's quickly go under font and colors. So we got button variants, we got solid, we got different types of buttons obviously. So shadow, we'll look into this later. Input variants, we got all of this. Let's go under custom theme because I do not like the theme color of this. Enable dark mode for the whole website. Click on primary color, and I want this to be a shade of pink, like yeah, reddish shade of pink. Perfect, looks good. Now this is one thing, and now it's looking very presentable in my opinion. Let's quickly change these track orders and new arrivals. So I'm gonna quickly change this real quick. So to change these two buttons, which is track orders and new arrivals, I'll go under fonts and themes, go under tag configuration, under home page, you need to change the active tags. So I can add a custom tag like I want to buy ice cream. Add I want to place bulk order. Now what this will do is this will actually put the whole information in here. So it's kind of a quick messaging thing that once you click here, it sends the message to the chatbot itself. Now as you can see, this seems done. Copy the whole thing. Basic grounding. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly close the Acho chatbot because we don't need it. Go scroll down, and under logos and headers, there's nothing we need to do here. Go under prompts, paste this here, click on publish. Close this, go to home again, click on ask a question, blink it. So it just takes us to the specific platform, which is super cool again. I'll search for do you guys offer mango flavor? So it's gonna search the whole knowledge base tab. So it should now fetch the product. Show other tub flavors. As you could see, it's French vanilla, 91 calories, Belgian dark chocolate. So again, as you could see, this is looking pretty promising right from the start. Go Zero AI agent. Now I'm gonna close this real quick. This AI agent can help them sell the product, but they usually just stuck on Blinkit and quick commerce, which is why this might not be as helpful. But if someone wants to place a bulk order, let's just say place a bulk order, then obviously the AI agent will try to fetch their name, etc, etc, etc. And then there's a talk to human option, which I'll also show you how this works. Let's quickly add a voice agent to this so that this agent is completed, and then we can look at other parts of it. So I need an AI voice consultant for Go Zero ice creams for Wabi. This has to be a Wabi AI agent. And then I'm gonna go here, search for Wabi prompting guide, copy the page, go back to ChatGPT, paste it here. This is the prompting guide. Make it as an ice cream consultant. Boom. So gonna go to WAPI, click on dashboard. So this is a dashboard, as you can see. I'm gonna quickly add another agent. So let's just quickly search for assistants. Click on create. I can just copy the same assistant here. So let's go with this one. Click on duplicate and copy the prompt. Hey, welcome to Go Zero. Hey, welcome to Go Zero ice creams. This is Zoe. How may I help you? Save this real quick. Go to ChatGPT. Grab this prompt. Paste it here again. Click on save. I'm gonna quickly grab the let's rename it to Go Zero AI agent. copy the ID, copy the ID of the ID of this, and I'm going to quickly add a text block here so that I can save data. Now we need private key and public key from WAPI. Let's go to WAPI real quick and grab the private key, go under API keys, copy the ID. So copy, it's a new gen key, it's a private API key. So why do we need this? I'll tell you why right now. So we are in here, right? We are in the Taxi Agents platform. Quickly go up and go towards the very, using the top scroll bar, using the horizontal scroll bar, go towards the very right, click on settings. Now go on integrations and click on connect WAPI. Once you go in here, it says WAPI assistant ID, and there is no option to add the WAPI public key or private key. For that, go on the left sidebar, go under credentials and go click on others. And then as you can see, WAPI is already connected, but this is not the one we want. We are going to replace the credentials here of WAPI. So quickly copy the public key as well. I'm going to paste the public key here real quick. Boom, it's saved. It's saved. Go back to the agents, click on never. And then I'm going to click on Go Zero Agent. Go to settings again. Click on integrations. Click on connect WAPI. Go to my Miro board and grab the agent ID real quick. Go here. Click on paste here. Enable, and also click on enable WAPI on web. This is very important. And click on eagerly show WAPI on load. Click on publish. And now your AI agent can also talk. Let's see how that works.
Hey, welcome to Go Zero Ice Creams. This is Zoe. How may I help you?
Hey Zoe, I am looking to buy in bulk for my store. How do you guys work with that?
Hi, I'm Zara from Go Zero. I can help you with that. Can you tell me your city or PIN code?
Boom, it's done. Now I'm going to click on demo and click on standard demo. And this is how the website pops up. This is how the chatbot pops up. And now if you want to publish this, or if you want to actually add this to a website, then you would need to click on website script. And then I usually choose pop-up. You can just copy the script and paste this inside the website code, and you will be able to interact with this voice agent in real time. So that's about it. And there's also a demo which you can see with the website overlay. So I'm going to go on Go Zero real quick. Click on Go Zero here. Guilt-free ice creams. Copy this real quick and go back to our website preview. Click on enter, and this is how the chatbot would work. You can ask a question, you can talk to the agent. This is how the website would look. Pretty insane, right? So yeah. So do let me know what do you think of this quick short tutorial. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next one.